In this video, we will show you how to replace your engine splash shield on this Toyota RAV4. This will be mounted under the front of your vehicle. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Safely make your way under the front of the vehicle. Locate the front splash shield. The splash shield is going to be held in place with some push clips and also some 10mm mounting bolts. We'll start with the push clips. As far as the push clips, there's going to be one on each side of the vehicle along the side of the splash shield and then several making their way across. To remove any of them, you can use a small prying device. I'm just using a trim tool. You want to make your way under the center, start dislodging it to unlock the push clip, and then remove the push clip. Let's move along. We have 3 across the center. Next one's in this corner. At this point, we can continue on to several 10mm headed mounting bolts. There's one on each side, and then there's several making their way across the front of this splash shield. Let's get this last one. Let's give that a little wiggle, pull it down and out of place. Okay friend, let's prepare to install our brand new front splash shield. When you go to bring this into position, you want to carefully pull down on the front bumper cover. You can see all the mounting bolt ports. Slide this shield up and underneath that area. Continuing from here, we're going to start in the mounting bolts making their way across the front. As for the center mounting bolts, those are the fine thread mounting bolts. The ones on the outboard side are the coarse thread mounting bolts. Just go ahead and start those in. This one here. Now as we move towards either side, we want to make sure that we bring that panel underneath the area where our flap is. So for that, typically you can just go ahead and tug on it a little bit. After that, you want to try to align that mounting port. This is where the coarse thread mounting bolts are going to come in handy. We'll be using these directly inside of each corner of this plate. On the other side, just go ahead and repeat the process. Now at this point, we want to take hold of that shield. We're going to try to push it forward. It's only going to move so far. At that point, we'll go ahead and snug it up. It's time for our push clips. As for the push clips, we can start on one side and make our way over to the other side of the vehicle. Okay friend, we finished the installation of our front engine splash shield. At this point, make your way out from under the vehicle. Take your vehicle for a road test and listen for any odd noises coming from this area. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.